Monkeys. Today I'm inside the shop and I've got a little project here. It's a black Cadillac XLR, and I want to show you you see the scratches from the buffer left from a wool pad. See? Wool pad. And what I'm going to try to do is clean up the scratches. Here, I'll move the light so you can see it. Oh, there you go. See those scratches? Now, you might think, oh, you should use a Menzerna 400 or some other stupid car compound. Yeah, you might be right. But today, we're going to use 3M's Heavy Cut, so I can show you guys that it actually does break down if you let it. Boop, boop, boop. All right, here we go. I'm going to start slow, spread this out, work it around. This is all going to be one-handed, so I apologize if it's a little shaky and ugly. Low setting, here we go. Pop, pop, pop. And for any of you car guys, go ahead and throw me your shade and all your hate. I know I'm using this tool wrong to you. Obviously, I don't care. Okay, so this is going to be a little tricky because I got to switch hands and speed this up. So hold on one second. Oh yeah, you'd never do that on a black car, would you? Hold on. All right, you ready? Bring the noise. Hey, Tubo Views. Yeah, I'm doing this all wrong. I know it. I don't use a random orbital like this. The movements are really, really slow. This car in particular had some really hard, I guess would be the term, clear coat. And the shop was having a hard time pulling out all the little teeny scratches that were left behind after a wool pad was used. And so I flippantly suggested, well, let's use Heavy Cut. And they were like, show me. And I thought, well, oh, yeah, why not? I had actually done a car like this before. It was freshly painted with Heavy Cut, and it turned out fairly decent. This car was sanded smooth, then it was buffed with compound and a wool pad. And after that, it was time for the random orbital action. And so here we are. I don't really do cars very often. It's maybe 2 or maybe 3 a year. This was really just a demonstration, and I'm not sponsored by 3M in any way. This was just a demonstration of what is possible with 3M's Heavy Cut. And when I tell people on a boat, you work it until it breaks down to get the final finish and it looks great, they think, you're crazy. There's no way that can happen. Man, I don't know how else to tell you. This is black paint on a car, and I'm using 3M's Heavy Cut. Now, before you get all grumpy at me, which is easy to do, I'll be honest, the guys had already tried Menzerna, 3D, some other stuff, and it just wasn't seeming to do whatever it is that they wanted it to do. Now, this didn't come out absolutely perfect. They pointed out some stuff to me that I hadn't seen in car paint before, and yeah, I guess not absolutely perfect, but really, really close. And what I'm trying to demonstrate is that if you work 3M Heavy Cut and you let it work all the way down, you can achieve a really, really nice finish. Okay, I think it's almost gone. There's a little bit of oil on the surface. Do one final pass just to get the lines right. I think I'm getting the lines right. And I know I paused it in the middle. Somebody was asking a question, they couldn't hear me and I couldn't hear them. So I apologize. I didn't switch products. Okay, I'm just about done, so I'm going to set the phone down, turn the power off. I'll just set the phone in my lap.
All right, let's see what this does. I mean, if Heavy Cut can do this in the hands of a boat detailer, imagine what one of you car guys could do.
How'd it come out, dude?
Nice. No, you can look. I think it came out nice. You're the car guy. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit more wiping. That's what takes off the loop.
As always, thanks for watching.